Ever wonder how to make the most of your healing gourd in the captivating game Black Myth Wukong? Look no further. This ancient vessel can be upgraded to restore more health with each sip, and even infused with special items called soaks to alter its properties, giving you an edge in combat. And the gourd is composed of three main elements: the gourd itself, the drink it contains, and any soaks used to modify the drink's characteristics. Each gourd has unique base effects, often defined by their capacity to hold a certain number of drinks. For instance, a gourd that aids healing and combat poison may hold fewer drinks than a typical gourd. But to upgrade your gourd, drinks, and soaks, seek out the Shen Monkey NPC found in Chapter 1 at the Marsh of White Mistkeeper's Shrine. After completing certain tasks, he'll relocate to the Painted Realm. Among his initial offerings are various drinks and bath solutions to help you start your journey. Items like gourds, beverages, and bath solutions can be enhanced using Lugia fragrant vines for the gourd and awakened wineworm items for drinks. Unfortunately, soaks cannot be upgraded, but you'll find new ones in each chapter as you explore different regions and defeat bosses. The gourd system in Black Myth Wukong is reminiscent of Sekiro Shadows Die Twice, where you can modify gourd contents by purchasing upgrades at Keeper's Shrines and customize your healing based on your preferred playstyle. And so before you embark on your next adventure in Black Myth Wukong, remember to pay a visit to the Shen Monkey and upgrade your gourd for an enhanced gaming experience. And if you find this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Now, here's a little joke for you. Why don't we tell secrets in Black Myth Wukong? Because the gourd might spill. With that said, thanks for watching, and see you next time.